you started doing the swing trading. When did you make the foray into other markets, and what came after that?
So what happened was I had a mentor who worked for a hedge fund. It was my friend's sister. She's a black.
I'm going to say, let's back up a little bit. How did you actually get the mentor? So you talked about the paper and starting your journey. How did you find someone to actually be your mentor to give you some game and teach you?
So I'm looking on YouTube and I'm looking at different content. Then I realized a buddy of mine had a sister that worked for a hedge fund, and I was like, oh man. I said, will she teach me? And I contacted her and I paid her great money in order to show me the market. And the swing trading helps build discipline. Everybody thinks trading is day trading. You don't have time to do that, jumping in and out, fast pace, things like that. So I learned the discipline of buying and holding for like weeks and months at a time. So I did that for about a good 3 years.
Okay.
In order to build the discipline and understand how the market works. It's almost like getting a rental property versus flipping.
Mm-hmm.
Once you get the rental, maybe you'll build some equity. You could do a cash out refi and do something a little bit more advanced. So I learned it. I learned the attitudes of the market. So after about 3 years of doing that, that's when I stepped my game up into doing a little bit more fast-paced trading, which is day trading, which is very, very dangerous, and it takes a lot of skill. So when people hear of a trader or investor, you don't have to day trade. The average person has a job, they don't have no time, and you probably make more money swing trading in the long term because you're not watching it every day.
Mm-hmm.
You're not watching it. So once I went into the area of day trading, about 3 years later, around 2012 or so, I started developing what they call that trader's edge, that naturalness to understand how the personality of the market works. Now, that's just the stock market at first, right? So that led me, once you master one market, in order to start putting your toe or your pinky in some of these other markets.